Okay, in this video we'll show you how to change stainless steel bracelet in a watch. So what we need, we have this bracelet and it's damaged, or we want a different one. We need to measure the distance from here to here to buy the new one. This is 24mm width. And then once we get the new one, to replace it, we'll need a tool, something like that. So it's some pointy thing with 1mm diameter. If you don't have a specific tool, you can use some similar pointy thing, like a small screwdriver. And we see that the end piece of this stainless steel bracelet is attached to the watch using a spring bar. So if you watch Dragon Ball when you were a kid, it's like the stick of Goku that extends. It's more or less the same. It's a spring bar that extends to enter two holes here and here. So we only need... I will try again with a flat screwdriver. Okay. So here I show you the spring bar. So it's a bar with two springs in the sides, so it can change its length. Here we see the end piece, and we'll do the same in the other side. Okay, it came out. We see the other spring bar, the other end piece, and we have the bracelet that we want to take out. I advise you that you remember in which side was this, here or here, before taking it out. Then you get the new one. If it comes with new end pieces, you put the new one. If not, you put this. You put back the spring bars and you set it back like this. I will do it without the end pieces, so it's easier to see. We put one side first, then we compress the other side of the spring bar, and this is already solid. We do the same with the other, and that's it. That's how to change a stainless steel bracelet in a watch. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.